Okay, this is lesson 6.5, notes on discounts and markups. Some key ideas here about discounts is that discount is a decrease in money, whereas a markup is an increase in the price. And usually we're talking about percents again with percent problems. So percent decrease versus percent increase. To calculate our discount percent, we would do 100% minus the percentage we're given of the discount to figure out the percentage of an item that we're going to be purchasing. This is called the one-step method. Same thing with a markup, except for this time we're going to add that percentage. So we would have our 100% of our item plus the markup amount, and that would give us the percentage of the original amount. So we'll do an example problem here. Looking at example number 1, it says finding the sale price. The original price of a video game is $35. It is on sale for 25% off. What is the sale price? So we could calculate 25% of the 35 to get our discount amount. So let's do the 2 steps and then I'll explain this of again. So $35 times 25%, remember that's 25 over 100, which is 0.25, and we would get our discount amount when we do that. So if I calculate 25% of 35, I'm going to get 8.75. Now that's not the new price, that's the discount amount. That's the discount, that's the 25% off. So we would still have to go back and do $35 minus the 8.75 to get our new price of, when we calculate that, we get 26.25. Now, we want to practice using of. So if I'm taking 25% off of an item of $35, then I'm really only paying 75% of it, because $100 minus the 25% discount, okay, comes in the word discount, and we subtract a discount, means I'm only paying 75% of it. So in one step, I could do the $35 times my 0.75, and I know that I'm going to be paying $26.25. Okay, so what we're trying to practice here is the one-step method, but just know that if you're asked what is the discount amount, that's the discount amount. The new price would be that. So if they ask you for the discount amount, you are going to take the percent of the number. But if they ask you for what is the new sale price, then you could do the 75% of it all in one step, instead of having to go back here in this case where you have to then remember to subtract it. Okay, you have a try it problem. Go ahead and see how you do with that. Okay, the original price of a skateboard is $50. The skateboard is on sale for 20% off. So 100% minus the 20% means I'm paying 80% of it. And then 80%, again, remember, we can find the decimal for that because it's 80 divided by 100, which is 0.8, if you do that on your calculator. Okay, so $50 times the 0.8, or 0.8, is 40. So our answer is just $40. Remember to put in your 2 decimal places for change. Okay, and example number 2, finding the original price of cleats. So this time they're giving us the new price. We have cleats are on sale for 40% off, and the new price is $33. What was the original price? So to find the original price, we would have to do 100% minus the 40% off means 60% of the original item. Okay, so in this case, we multiplied when we were trying to find the new price. So the opposite to work backwards would be to take our 33 and divide it by our 60% of the original price. So if we divide it by 0.60, it's like working backwards, and we get 55. So the original price was $55. Okay, again, pause this and try it with question number 2. Okay, 50% off for a DVD means you're paying 50% of it, or half of the original price. If the sale price is $10, some of you might have already known that, well, with half off, the original price was obviously $20. Now, if you could reason that out, because that would be the previous price. If not, you could still do 10 divided by 0.5, and when you divide, you're going to get 20. Okay, so if it was half off and the new price is $10, then obviously it was 20. But you could still do the formula here where you're dividing. Great. Example 3 is a markup question. We have a store pays $70 for a bike. What is the selling price when the markup is 20%? So when we have a markup, that means it's going to be more expensive for the buyer. So 100% plus the 20%, we're looking at 120% of the original amount in order to make a profit. So 100% is 1.2. We're going to take our $70 times 1.2, and when we multiply that out, we get 84. So the markup price is $84, and that way the store makes 20% profit on the item that they're selling. Okay, you have a try it question number 3. And then after you're done pausing it, you can come back and check your answer. A store buys memory cards for $25 each, and the markup is 25%. How much would they charge for 50 memory cards? Okay, so there's a 2-part here. So the first part is to find out the markup price, because it's not the $25. The markup price would be 125%, because you have 25% plus the 100% for the original $25. So 25 times 1.25, and that gives us $31.25. That's the markup price for each of them. And then if we're buying 50, we're going to do $31.25 times 50, and we get $1,562. Our final answer there. Okay, let's turn it over to the other side. Okay, these are you try problems. Discount examples, there's 2 of them, and then markup examples, there's 2 of them. Okay, we have the original price of a pair of shorts is $30. It is on sale for 30% off. What is the sale price? So this is a discount. Since it's the amount off, we're going to do 100% minus the 30%, means we're paying 70% of the original amount. So 30 times 0.7 gives us 21. So that's $21. Okay, number 2. We have the original price of a book is $18.50. It is on sale for 40% off. So 100% minus the 40% means that we're now paying 60% of the amount. $18.50 times 0.6, And when we multiply, we get 11.1. Well, we know that money is 2 decimal places, so you'll have to put in the 0 here. Okay, our answer is $11.10 for the book. All right, markup examples. The original price of concert tickets is $85. What is the selling price when the markup is 21%? So we're talking about paying 121% of the original item, because we're going to do our 21% plus the original cost, the 100. So 85 times 1.21. And we get $102.85. Okay, for number 4, we have the original price of a sled is $99.50. What is the selling price if the markup is 95%? So that's almost like 100% markup, almost doubling here with 95%. So we have 195% of the original amount. So $99.50 times 1.95. There's our 100% and our 95% combined for a grand total of $194.03.